Hi, welcome to Dream Big Stories. Today's story is The Sound of MOO-SIC by Isadora Rouse and Alex Willmore. 你好，欢迎来到远大理想讲故事时间。今天的故事叫牛牛的音乐声。Connor Cow loved to sing. He sang all day long. In fact,The only time that he wasn't singing was when he was fast asleep. 康纳是一只奶牛，他很喜欢唱歌，他一整天都在唱歌。实际上，他唯一没有唱歌的时候，是他正在睡觉的时候。One day, Connor grew tired of singing on his own. I'm going to sing for my friends, said Connor happily.一天，康纳觉得一个人唱歌很无聊，我要去找朋友们一起唱歌。康纳快乐地说。Not far away, Connor spotted Olivia Owl hurrying to her treetop home in the woods. I will sing for Olivia, thought Connor excitedly. 不远处，康纳看见猫头鹰奥利维亚正快速飞向他树顶处的家。我要给奥利维亚唱歌，康纳兴奋不已。Moo, moo, moo, sang Connor at the top of his voice. Moo, 康纳提高嗓门唱起来。Stop it, yelled Olivia. I've been out all night and I want to go to sleep. Go and sing somewhere else, please. Moo, said Connor.快停下！奥利维亚喊道：“我一整晚都在外面，我现在想睡觉了，请到别处去唱歌吧。”康纳说。Walking through the woods, Connor came to a small clearing. This looks like a theater, he chuckled. I'll put on a special show for Dora dear. 康纳走过树林，来到一小块空地上。这里看上去像一个舞台，他笑道。我要去为小鹿多拉上演一场特别的表演秀。Moo, moo, moo, sang Connor, louder than ever before. But Dora didn't stay to listen. The noise was so loud it scared her away. Moo, said Connor. Moo, 康纳的声音比以前更大。但是多拉却没有停下来听，噪音实在是太大了，以至于把她吓跑了。康纳说。Natalie Nightingale was resting in a tree at the edge of the woods. Moo, 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 began Connor, but Natalie held her wings to her ears. 在树林边有一只夜莺。名叫娜塔莉，正在树上休息。康纳刚开始唱，娜塔莉就把她的翅膀捂住了耳朵。Please don't sing for me, she said. 请不要为我唱歌，她说。Let me sing for you. Birds have a much sweeter voice. Listen. Then,Natalie Nightingale filled the air with beautiful bird song. Moo, said Connor. 让我为你唱歌吧，鸟儿的歌声更甜美，听听看。然后娜塔莉唱起了美妙的歌声。康纳说。Nobody wants me to sing, sighed Connor sadly. Connor was just about to go home.When he heard a commotion coming from just up ahead. 没有人想听我唱歌，康纳伤心地叹气。正当他往家走时，他听到正前方传来一阵骚动。Connor followed the noise and was amazed to discover a field that was filled with cows just like him. Best of all, the cows were all singing.康纳沿着声音走，惊讶地发现一大群充满奶牛的田地 最好的是，他们也正在唱歌。Come and make music with us, said the cows when they spied Connor. We love singing. 来呀，来和我们一起制造牛牛音乐吧！奶牛们看见康纳就说：“我们爱唱歌。” Connor had never been so happy. Now I'm part of a choir, he chuckled. 康纳从来没有这么快乐过。现在我是合唱团的一员了，他咯咯笑道。This is the end of the story. 好的，我们来回顾一下语言点。第一个 theater 电影院、戏院。This looks like a theater. 这儿看上去像个戏院。第二个 scare away 吓走。It scared the deer away. 这把小鹿给吓走了。第三个 sing 唱歌。Connor likes to sing. 康纳喜欢唱歌。第四个 noise 噪音。The noise was so loud. 噪音很大。第五个 chuckle 轻声的笑。He gave a little chuckle. 他轻声一笑。Okay, this is the end of the language part. Thank you for joining me today. I will see you next time. Bye for now. 好的，今天的故事就到这儿，谢谢你的收看，我们下回见喽，拜拜。